Risk sentiment has deteriorated, thus putting pressure on oil and the ruble. Both crude benchmarks are trading in the red, and the pace of decline is accelerating. The ruble is struggling to hold at the level of 78 against the US dollar, posting minimal losses at the beginning of the session. However, the Russian currency is unlikely to maintain its position due to the negative background. Recently, the market saw some signs of correction, but bulls seem to be losing ground even despite stimulus measures introduced by the global central banks. Oil traders remain focused on shrinking energy demand as coronavirus threat has caused travel restrictions all over the globe. Business activity is being suspended in many countries in an attempt to curb the virus spread. India has also declared a national lockdown, which means that one of the largest oil importers will soon cut its energy consumption. Oil failed to hold at the previous levels even though the US Senate and the White House had agreed on the relief package of $2 trillion US. In the early session, Brent lost more than 2% of its value and settled at $26 31 cents per barrel. American crude also extended losses, but at a slower pace. WTI crude was trading at $23.57 per barrel. Besides, the official crude inventories data from the U.S. Energy Department did not support oil prices, showing an increase for 10 weeks in a row. Today, the G20 members will hold an emergency video conference. There are some speculations in the media that the US might pressure Saudi Arabia to abandon its oil price war. This scenario may largely contribute to the rise in oil quotes. Global market sentiment continues forming the ruble's dynamics. The dollar-ruble pair opened the trade at the mark of 78. Despite a noticeable drop in oil prices, the Russian currency is holding steady and was losing just about 0.13% in the morning session. The panic in the financial markets has slightly waned after global central banks had stepped in with unprecedented support measures. Meanwhile, the virus continues to spread rapidly in the United States and Spain, so the lockdown period may be extended. In this case, the risky assets, including the ruble, will not have any reasons for further growth. Today, market participants will keep a close eye on the U.S. jobless claims data. The number of claims is expected to spike by a record number of 1 million. This downbeat statistical data may raise concerns about the looming recession in the United States. This will definitely worsen the market sentiment and push the ruble down. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.